Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth, and today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial on how to train custom GPTs on comms documents, so policies or something like that for local government. Just to be clear, you'll need a paid-for service like ChatGPT+, Microsoft Enterprise 365, Copilot, OpenAI's Developer API, something. On the Queensland Government Department of State Development and Infrastructure webpage, you can see the local government environment sustainability framework information. Down the bottom of the page, let's scroll all the way down, there are key documents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So download those and put them in a folder. They are the key information. Oh look, guys, are on a computer that you need to read and understand in order to follow the guidelines and comply with them. Now what I'm going to do is put all 5 of these and put them into a custom GPT. They're publicly accessible docs. Log into ChatGPT, go down to Explore and click Create a GPT where it says Beta. It says customize a version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. So I'm going to make mine a local government mentor. Click in there. And it's going to prompt you with questions. I need to provide a GPT to local gov in Queensland on the State Development Department's Sustainability Framework. Click Send Message. It's going to come up with a name and then it's going to come up with a logo. It wants to call itself Sustainer Guide. How about Local Gov Mentor? Because you're doing mentoring, or the AI is doing the mentoring. Do they have a thumbnail on here? No, not really. No, I can't see anything that's worthy of a thumbnail, so we'll get that one. ChatGPT. Oh, it's got an owl. Oh, I like owls. I know the rest of the birds don't like owls, but should we keep it? I think we should keep it. Let's keep the owl. I do like owls. Okay, next one. Very wise. We need to say, love it. So it just goes and it accepts the logo. Should we focus on providing general information about the sustainability framework? Take the first paragraph. Given that most content creators in local government policy have got a journalist background, which means you lead with the lead and then you wrap it a few paragraphs before you need to. It's given me some general questions down here. How does the framework address renewable energy? What are the key sustainability goals? Blah, blah, blah. It will get more information as we go along and it will be able to reconfigure these questions as well. The whole goal here is to have all the documents in, all the information in, all the links in, so that anybody can come and ask our little owl for their questions and have it give back intelligent answers because it's fine-tuned on the specialist documents. When I'm over here, I can change it to only me, anyone with a link, everyone. I can copy the link and send it to people. I can undo things that I've tried. I can delete it. And yeah, once it's saved, now it's available here. We have here other ones that I've created. So for Local Gov Mentor, the one with the little owl. So this is what other people would see. We go up here and we say, edit the GPT. And it asks me if I want to add anything more to it. I can see that it's written a summary of what the sustainability network is involved with. It's pre-written a description to help people understand it. I can edit the conversation starters, which I'll do in a moment. So I'm going to upload the local gov files that I had opened up by just shift-clicking, selecting them all and clicking open. And now those documents that I showed you are entered into the custom GPT. So it's fine-tuning ChatGPT to be specific on these topics. I'm allowing web browsing because that means that a local council can link to their own sustainability document, which might be on the web, and then ask for the local gov mentor to analyse their document apropos these documents. I'm going to leave in DALL-E. If they want to create an image or a graph or something, they can. And then Code Interpreter just means that they can upload their own PDF and and then say to the local gov mentor, hey, can you read my PDF apropos your PDFs? That kind of thing. So I'll go here to update, click confirm, and now I'm going into the GPT itself. So I'm going to message the local gov mentor and I'm going to ask it a few kind of classic questions about it, okay? I've read the documents, scan read them, so I'm going to ask it, I know that there are 5 elements. I'll just say, what are the elements of the framework? It creates a new chat on the left-hand side using the local gov mentor. And now it's searching, it uses the whole of ChatGPT, but then the wrapper sits on top with the local gov documents in it. And there's our 5 key elements of a local gov sustainability framework, and so on and so forth. Obviously, I can go in here at any time, edit the GPT. I can do a number of things here. If I am editing the GPT, when I'm over here, I can change it to only me, anyone with a link, everyone. I can copy the link and send it to people. I can undo things that I've tried. I can delete it. So one thing to note is that it's renamed the chat as framework elements. So it's not inside the custom GPT, it's in your normal ChatGPT. There you go. Wasn't that hard? Didn't hurt. Government being government, and given the deals that our federal government is making with Microsoft, I'd be interested to see where the custom GPTs get rolled out for councils. I hope you found that interesting. If you'd like to talk to me about running workshops or keynotes or mentoring, you can email pa@laurelpapworth.com or go to my website. And I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Thank you.